here at Kaufman Country Accents, and we're gonna go inside and do a little video, a quick walk through, and then we're gonna come back later on and we'll probably do an expanded one, so as time allows. Let's go inside and see what they have. Make sure you go out to the little buildings out there. They've got lots of garden items and things like that, and that's here at Kaufman Country Accents. Wait, come on around, you'll see we are right at the split of 39 and 62. Can't miss it. Right in downtown Berlin. Now when you come in, you come through the door. Smells wonderful on the porch. And inside they have a candle burning. It smells so good. Got lots of different things to look at. So we're gonna go inside and take a look at everything. It's Kaufman's Country Accents. Here's what smells so good. Honey butter biscuit. That is nice.
Yes, no. Hello. Hi, how are you?
We're here at Kaufman Country Accents. Just doing a little walk through, give you an idea of the different things that they have. A lot of pretty little things, a lot of cute little things. Look at that little sheep there. Little lamb, little wall hangings. Hey, we'll be right back after this quick little message.
Welcome to HCOandMORE. HCO stands for Holmes County, Ohio. That's your connection to Amish country. Be sure to like and subscribe.
Come make sure that you go upstairs. There's a whole lot of things up here too. The Steps Creek is pretty cool. Butterflies, lots of different things. Lots of pretty little things. Little birds. $4.95. Look at the detail. Very nice. Oh, look at there. Little hedgehog. Lots of neat little things to look at. Look at these little kitty cats. Aren't they cute? And here we are. Right at the 39-62 split. Across from the antique mall and the showcase. Just doing a little walkthrough, give you an idea of some of the items they have. And then we'll be coming back and doing a more detailed look at some different displays in different places. Look at that little squirrel. I know, I get talking about things and then something catches my eye and I like to share with you. Isn't that pretty? Old farmhouse. But we're up here on the second floor, second story. Look at the different things. You can hear the creak of the staircase in the background. That is really neat. I like it. Don't ever change that. Lots of inspirational things, nature, just pretty things. Little birds. Lots of different little birdies. Like I said, we're just doing a little walkthrough here. Then we'll come back and do a more detailed look at the different things. There you go. It says faith does not make things easy, it makes them possible. Very nice. Okay. Gonna go back downstairs. Go through a couple of the rooms down there. Bunny rabbits. There's some candles. You know me. Little cow, baby calf. Those are so cute. A lot of neat things here. Oh, look at these little fellas right here. Little owls. I love owls. They're cute. $6. 95 cents. So yeah. Kaufman Country Accents. Make sure if you stop by, tell them you saw them on HCOandMORE and also on the Amish Country Views Facebook page. Make sure you like and share and follow and share it with others. It really means a lot. I really appreciate you guys watching the videos. You're okay.
Welcome to HCOandMORE. HCO stands for Holmes County, Ohio. That's your connection to Amish country. Be sure to like and subscribe.